I left here, this looks like a photocopy I made, probably of a drawing I did on matboard, which I mailed someone as a postcard. I have no idea who. Could have been a relative, could have been a friend. Dated February 22nd, 1937. This would be 1973. This is relevant question mark in parentheses everyday art. The bathroom sink number 2. I see I'm wearing a sweatshirt I bought in Humacao, Puerto Rico. Where I went to sometime in winter, spring 73 and again in 74. Colegio Regional Humacao. Now, I think I might have two proofs of the linocut I made based on the original drawing. This is one of them. I might have 3. I think one of them I have is black and white. This one's like blue and black. Looks like I went over it with ink or dark pencil on the right there. 12 dated December 73. Self-portrait in front of sink. A K Segan. I'm wearing a Parkland College shirt or sweatshirt. Parkland Junior College at the time. And I remember showing this to some friend who thought it was bewildered by it. She said, "What does this indicate about you? You're drawing yourself. It looks as if you're under the sink, not kind of in the foreground in front of the sink, but under the sink." Which I remember. I don't remember who it was. A woman friend. Anyway, she thought it was noteworthy in that regard. Anyway, there you have it.